Hello friends, this is Sharon and you're watching Zeal to Know. So in this episode we are going to discuss chapter 5 of ICD because we were doing the CPC medical coding course. Yes, so I'll be giving you a certain guidelines which are very important for in the exam point of view. Alright, in this chapter, the chapter 5, we are having only a few number of things to remember, few guidelines, so it will be very easier for you to follow. Okay, I'm doing in Malayalam also. In Malayalam, I have proceeded till chapter 18. So if you're comfortable with Malayalam, go to the description box. There will be a link for the playlist Malayalam CPC. Alright, so you can go there and check out. If you are comfortable with English, we'll be continuing with the chapters because I was really in the back for English. So here I will be discussing with chapter 5. Chapter 5 is mental, behavioral and neurodevelopmental disorders. Can we start? Yes. What is the first one? The first topic is pain. Okay. In this chapter also we are discussing with pain, but pain is mostly discussed in chapter G. Okay. In this chapter we will be following F codes here. So in this F codes, the first point is pain disorders due to or related to psychological factors. If the pain is related to psychological factors, for example, if the pain is exclusively related to the psychological factors, we can code F54.41. Got it? F for falcon. So F54.41, which is exclusively related to psychological factors. Clear? Okay, if we are coding for exclusively related to psychological factors, there G89 code for pain is not applicable. Got it? To be clear, just remember that if you are coding exclusively for psychological factors, pain is due to the psychological factors only. In this case, G89 code will not be there. Okay, don't code along with F54.41. But if the pain is not exclusively, okay, it is due to some psychological factor, but they are not saying that the pain is exclusively due to this. Okay, is that thing clear? Exclusive, that word you should remember. Okay, if that exclusive word is not there or solely it is not depending upon the psychological factors. So in this case, what we can do? Yes, we can code F54.41 as the primary and secondary I can code G89. Okay, so in this case that both will come, but if it is exclusively or solely or only because of that, then we can code F54.41 only. Clear? The next topic is mental and behavioral disorders due to psychoactive dependence use or substance use. Okay, in this thing, just remember, in remission, some codes are there. For in remission, F10 to F19 are the codes. Alright, if the provider documents, then only you can just code as in remission. Alright, if some mild substances are used, so which we can code? Mild substances are used means code from abuse. If it is a moderate or severe substance use, so what we will do? Yes, code for substances dependence. That I will discuss next one. Okay, so you will understand it better. Okay, now don't get confused about the last topic. So just I will discuss the use, abuse and dependence. These are the three things you have to remember in this chapter. Okay, so here this is the most important thing to be remembered. So only two topics are the main things you have to remember. One is due to pain due to psychoactive substances or psychological factors. And here the second one is use, abuse and dependence. These are the three actually hierarchical. Okay, use is the least severe and abuse is a second and the dependence is the most severe one. Alright, so in this case what we will code? the severity should be coded. Got it? If more than two things are given, for example, use also given and abuse also given, which is severe? Abuse. So we will code for abuse. Got it? So if more than one condition is given, so we can choose the severe one. For example, next is abuse and dependence given. Which you will choose? Dependence, because dependence is the most severe. Got it? Next, for example, use and dependence. Which will you code? Dependence. Or if the three of the things are given, use, abuse or dependence, three of them are given, which you will code? The severity is for dependence. So you will code for dependence. This is the most important thing in this chapter. Okay, just remember severity. According to the severity, the codes will be taken. Got it? Use, abuse, abuse should be coded. Abuse, dependence, dependence should be coded. If three of them are given, dependence is the most higher one, so we will code that one. Got it? So in this chapter, these two are the most basic things, and this, from the exam point of view, these two are the most important things to be remembered. Got it? So this is here for the 5th chapter. So if you have any doubts, just give in the comment box so that I'll just try to resolve it. Alright, so I think you like this video. If you like this video, you have to click on like, share to your friends, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click the bell button. Alright, thanks for watching Zeal to Know. Bye bye.